What's up? It's DMN Bros here with doing a World of Tanks video on Melanovka Rain. We are doing the Centurion Mark 1. Now don't get it messed up in your brain that Centurion Mark 1's bad. Because I don't even have it fully upgraded. So, don't get mad or anything if, that's the case. But I'm gonna go that way. Now I'm gonna play like a medium. Use my speed. When I get the new engine, use my speed and duck behind cover after every single shot. Okay. So the Tiger 2 is right there, and the AT-15. Good people leading up. Out. Really, IS-3? Really? Yeah, don't you hate people like that who just do that? Okay, well, yep, it's raining here, so, we're doing that. The thing is, that when it rains, I do better when it rains. It's weird with me, but if we lose this battle, I'm still gonna post it, because I'm one of those people, I don't really care about my reputation. Well, reputation is good, but I'm not one of those spammers, but I will get whatever people need to sort of get. So IS-3. Yeah, I'm just gonna climb up here, see if I can get a better vantage position. I have to, okay. The T-32 is a good tank, yet it's not the best tank. I mean, those T-32 drivers out there who are really good, you guys are awesome. If you can do really good in this tank, you're pretty good. Well, at least that's what I heard from my Melkite. It's not the best. It's not the Oh my gosh. I'm trying to find out who he is. Let me see here. Oh, it's an IS. Oh, dude. Oh, I don't know if that counts as a steal kill, but most of the time I don't steal kill, but I guess that time I did. Yeah, I don't know what's up with my aim today. There we go. Now I got it back. Never mind, I lost it. What? Hey, let's get that IS-3. I'm just gonna charge down this hill. Never mind. SU-152. Spot. Oh, okay. I usually don't. Actually, this is a really good game of Centurion. I'm gonna play it more so I can get the next upgrade. Man, that was a bad hit I took. Dang it! What is up? Ah, yes, shield me. Everyone shield me.
Ready to fire.
Lower glacis. Up right there, good.
We didn't even scratch them. Critical hit. Target acquired.
Oh, this thing is awesome drive-by shooting. Accuracy is just amazing on this thing. Just don't get hit, because you have, like, no armor. Literally. I'm gonna stay back here just a little bit. Okay, let's see where we took shots at. Up, lower glacis. Terrible shots, I hate those. Oh, wait, yeah, that's one in the back. Okay, I think I got hit 3 times. Other one somewhere. Oh my gosh, more ahead of my targets. That wasn't gonna land.
Target locked. We just did them.
See what I mean? The best accuracy, well, not the best accuracy, but pretty good for its tier. Okay, so let's see if we can get a few.
Target acquired.
Dang it.
We didn't penetrate their armor. Target locked. We didn't penetrate their
Oh,
armor.
YOLO!
One of our tracks is damaged.
Dang it.
We didn't even scratch them. That one bounced. One of our tracks was hit. Ricochet.
Damn it, speed. Aw. Knife stinks. Suicide! No one likes you. Commit suicide. Shouldn't even been in the water in the first place. Look! This thing has the biggest hole ever. Yet Dias 3 is more. I don't get this. So I'm just... Okay. C-32 is the last one, seriously?
Ready to fire. Critical hit.
Oh.
We just did them. Enemy armor is
Oh my gosh. I wasn't paying attention there, guys. That's what really hurt me. I looked up, never mind. Got blown up. Well, I think we can stay for the results. They're not too bad. Yep, we will.
mission accomplished.
Yeah. Hopefully I did good. Probably did. But let's hope. Not bad. I got 5th. Not bad. Considering I got 5th. Okay, well, this is Daniel for DMM Bros, and, just say in the comments what I think I should do next. Now there's one thing, do not put any hate comments, because if you don't like them, you don't have to leave a comment, you can just move. Now if you think I should fix something like my camera or something, just send me a comment. Don't do it bad, be mature about it. And you know, just give me your review about it. And people who don't like this and are gonna send bad comments, just don't. It's not cool. And it's not. Why would you do that? Why? If you don't like it, go somewhere else. Go live in your mom's house. How about that? There you go. Well, see you guys later. Or next video.